My wife said softly over tea, something's living in the attic, probably not just you or me. Strange little footsteps in the beams, tiny midnight acrobat teams. Maybe raccoons, maybe squirrels, tiny freeloaders with fluffy curls. They don't pay rent, they don't keep score, and they definitely don't use the toilet floor. Oh, welcome to the roof investigation, swinging through suburban aviation. Grab the drone and charge the power, we'll solve the mystery this hour. So I grabbed my drones, both ready to fly. Sun in the sky, snow still nearby. Batteries blinking, charging slow, watching LEDs like a bored raccoon show. Hours later, lights went dark. Time to launch my aerial shark. But the drone said, "Hold your horses, chief. No GPS signal, sit down, take a brief." Satellite 1, Satellite 10, Satellite 14, let the flight begin!
The drone rose gently to inspect pipes and vents with full respect. Chimneys standing proud and tall, snowy shingles, that was all. No broken tile, no secret hole, no fluffy bandit on patrol. So how did the creature sneak inside? Through teleportation, rooftop I launched drone number 2 instead. Perhaps a deeper scan, I said. The wind replied with comic rage, a swirling aqua-swinny stage. Then came the bold and reckless thought, let's take the Avatar for a trot across the town just for a spin, a casual Sunday aerial grin. But then the drone spoke with alarm, pilot, we might encounter harm. 500 meters from the base, 60% left in the case. Battery warning, cold and grim, return to home. The sky grew dim. The sky grew dim. Now here's the problem, plain and clear. The wind was blowing right from here, returning home against that breeze. That's like swimming through the seas, too low to fly. Signal would die, too high and the wind would amplify. So I took control with pilot grace, circled slowly through the space. Downward spiral, smooth and wise, like a jazz sax dancing through the sky. Swing that Was it raccoons? Was it squirrels? Or something stranger in the rafters?